While on my way to go and buy myself a D-Lock from Decathlon, suggested to me by a subscriber for my new scooter, which is just in the back there, I stopped by here at Greenfield, just underneath Fame Residences, to get myself an Ice Americano. And it occurred to me, now that I've got this brand new scooter, do I really need to be in BGC anymore if I can just zip from here to BGC in under 5 minutes? I'm now questioning whether it's a good idea for me to move out of BGC and probably save some money or get a bigger accommodation for the same price as what I'm paying in Uptown. But anyway, just a couple seconds before I started the video, somebody just crashed into the parking bollard. Usually this would go up and down, but somebody just crashed into it and has completely flipped it this way. You see, it's got a pivot right there, and all that needs to be done is it needs to be swing back to its original position. But I think this little plastic joint that's supposed to keep this locked in place is snapped off, so all that would need to be replaced is that, I guess. Not too much damage, just a little clip. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about it too much. Anyway, it should all be good. A pretty simple, easy fix that. I just wanted to reassure the driver it wasn't too much damage. I mean, it could have been a lot worse. The whole thing could have snapped, but again, it's designed to pop like that just in case it does catch on the vehicle. Anyway, I'm just going to finish up my Ice Americano here and then head over to Decathlon in Pasig. Whilst at Decathlon, I'm going to try and find a D-Lock, as I mentioned, and also maybe a cup holder for my Americano. That would be a good idea, to just be able to slot it in there when I'm riding around town, so I don't have to finish it off and I can take it with me on rides. Oh yeah. Woo. All right, we've made it to Decathlon. This seems a little bit too cheap and a little bit too small, but still feels very sturdy. I mean, I don't think something is going to easily cut through that. And it's only 790 pesos, which is, I think, a bargain, but I need something bigger and a little bit more durable, or at least something with a higher strength rating, because this is 4 out of 10. Now I'm just looking at a potential cup holder, and there is one here, but once again, it's sold out, just like the other D-Lock. Is that it? Yep. I don't know how that's supposed to hold my drink. I was expecting like something like circular that could just go. These won't do because they're specifically made for bottles. And I'm not gonna pour my Ice Americano in this, so then go like, I don't drink it now. One thing I think I need to invest in is a backpack. And here at Decathlon, there is a plethora of backpacks, all shapes, sizes, different colors, and this black one seems to kind of catch my attention. I think it's big enough, and it has a laptop compartment, as you see here. And then if I ever wanted to store like some, camera accessories or a drone, etc., where the hell's the compartment? Yeah, we got this compartment here. It's not really kind of like a camera bag. I mean, could be used for one, but it's more like just a general backpack. And that would actually be very handy if I go on like rides or day trips to have one on me, because then I could just pop a few clothes in here, all the essentials that I need, as well as my laptop, and then I could be off and away. What's that meant to be? Well, folks, I left empty-handed, unfortunately. I thought I was actually going to at least get a D-lock, possibly a cup holder, maybe looking to get in a helmet, but the helmets that they have in there are only for bikes, and a lot of people at home, or on the channel, sorry, are advising I get a full face, and I kind of agree with them, but then I didn't buy this scooter to wear a full-face helmet like on the motorbike, because then I should have just purchased a motorbike. When I'm driving this thing, I'm not really going quicker than 30 kilometers per hour. And so, do I really need a full face? It would be better for safety, and I could also mount a GoPro or the Insta360 onto the helmet too, but then having to lug something that big around is a bit of a pain in the ass. And on top of that, the police officers and the wardens and the security that are positioned around the streets are now going to take my scooter as a vehicle rather than just like a personal electric scooter. That's kind of like the internal conflict I have of getting a full face helmet. Maybe I can just go with something a little bit more simple, lower profile, and that would probably involve getting a sort of bike helmet. So it looks like I'm going to have to order those items that I'm looking for, possibly off Shopee or Lazada. Anyway, the time is around about 5 p.m. We've got the sun setting. We've got some golden hues in the sky, and I wonder if we can go somewhere special on our scooter and take in the views, or maybe just head back to BGC. I wonder. Oh yeah, and I'm not really looking forward to taking my scooter back down those steps. But before I go, I just want to point out the basketball court that's on this side. I don't know what the one on the left is. I think it's for football. Yeah, there's a goal there with like little holes, slots, where you can practice shooting and aiming. You got like the top left, top right. Oh, it says ready to earn membership points at 1 point. Is this for members? Maybe it is for members. Yeah, look, it says partners schedule. I think at this moment in time, anybody can just go inside and play. Yeah. Oh yeah, off and away we go. Oh, this complex here is very close to the Valverde subdivision, you see? We're actually passing by Valverde subdivision right now. Don't know which one it is, it might be 5, 4, but I think, if my memory is not mistaken, there's up to 7 Valverde subdivisions in this area. I guess it's in the middle of Ortigas, Makati, and Pasig. Should go into the bike lane. Oh, there's an opportunity. There we are. It's nice how the bike lane is segregated off with these bollards and plants lining the side. Just makes it a little bit tricky to weave in and out though. And yeah, I'm doing about 20 kilometers per hour at this moment in time. Same speed as what I would be doing on a mover scooter. So if I drive at this speed, I've got full control. The speeds aren't too quick enough where like I put myself in danger. I can react and I can also vlog at the same time and conserve an enormous amount of battery. Yeah, I haven't even got down to 80, so I've used up about 12% of the battery. This is Valverde 4, here we are. See that? Alright, time to turn on my lights. Ah, can't even see it that well. Right folks, we made it back to BGC just before the rush hour gets too crazy, but it is a Saturday today. I don't know if the traffic is actually going to get crazy or not, because I'm not sure if there's a lot of people working in BGC today. And I think actually a lot of people are taking their annual leave now. Yes, from now until possibly the New Year's. Because there's not a lot of days left until we enter 2025. Wow. This year has gone quick. It's gone very, very quick. I haven't done a lot of vlogging in this year. But anyway, for now, I'm going to get some food in my belly and possibly meet up some friends. Not sure, but where shall we go? I do like the alfresco on the high street. That's one of my favorite places to go recently in BGC. It's very good vibes. It's very cool as well because there's like a nice draft that goes through the high street. And they've got really high powered fans in that area. Okay, welcome to one of my favorite parts in BGC, as I mentioned earlier. We are at a place called Pizza Sisters, and the reason why I love this place so much is because of how beautiful the alfresco area is. We've got beautiful dining tables and chairs here. We've got the 3D billboard right in front of us. It's a nice, cool wind coming through here that's helped by this giant fan that's also blowing additional wind too. So it's a great place to come and get food, to have a conversation with friends and drink some beer, because I find it that this area isn't super loud and the crowd here is a little bit more sophisticated. Additionally, what I also like about this alfresco is it's kind of like a little bit dim. It's not brightly lit, so it really does set the tone for the night. And yeah, I really like it. I love it. Oh, here's my lager. Nice. Thank you, Paul. Oh yeah, I got myself a Polner lager here. 500 ml. Cheers, mate. And there is no better way to cool yourself down with cold German beer. Yeah. It's odd that I say that because this area along the high street, there's a lot of restaurants here that offer German beer. I don't know why. Well, folks, my double cheeseburger has arrived, and this is a bit of an understatement to call it a double cheeseburger because it looks like a bloody 1 pounder. Look at it. Look at how huge that burger is. Look how thick those patties are. Oh my God. I am going to enjoy digging into that. As well as my beer. Yes. Cheers, mate. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. We'll remove the skewer. Oh, the bread is so soft. Now, you know what they say. You're supposed to let the patty sit such that all the oil inside the patties is absorbed by the patty and not released when you bite in. So you should really give it about 3 to 5 minutes to let the patty set, to absorb all that rich, delicious flavor. Oh my God. That is a fantastic burger for 600 pesos. That is nice, fresh, hot, and so succulent and juicy. Didn't know that double cheeseburger was so good here. I tried their pizza out the other time I was here. That was decent. Wasn't the best pizza I had, but with a little bit of hot sauce, Tabasco sauce, it did save it. Well, apparently there's fireworks that go on every Saturday from November all the way up until December. And today is a Saturday, so we're going to be expecting fireworks on 5th Avenue, right in front of us, where the 3D billboard is, at 7:30 p.m. So that's only in a couple minutes' time. I think that'll be quite a fitting way to wrap up today's video. Well folks, I'm going to wrap up today's video here. If you enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, share it with friends and family, and I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and bye from BGC.